Well, I started doing massage therapy. I was a massage therapist, and then I learned Bowen. When I discovered Bowen, it was like, wow, that's all I want to do, because I can get you out of pain so much faster than massage therapy. It's a gentle, non-invasive form of body work that allows the body to heal itself. It can work on anyone from newborn to the elderly without doing them any harm, because it is a gentle, non-invasive technique. The turning point is when the body shifts from the fight-flight mode, which we're in almost all the time, into a state of relaxation. So then it can rest, reset, and start to heal.
And one day I woke up and my knee was as big as a balloon. I was in the next day, laying on the table and thinking, what am I doing here? Because this doesn't seem like it's working on my knee, but it was working on my body. And it's not painful, it's just very simple. And you're thinking, is this gonna work? So when I rolled off the table, I had no pain in my knee at all. The first session, it was still swollen, but that went down in a week or so.
Might not feel like much, but it has profound effects, and you'll feel the difference.